These photographs were captured on the stereo head H1 cameras, and I did a video back in October and November when these images were captured on these cameras. I produced that video and it got me in a world of trouble on YouTube. Now, what I'm going to show you is another view from another craft. Would this be Planet X? Or can this possibly be the brown dwarf that they call Nemesis? The detail that you're looking at, this is a huge elevation. All of these formations are elevations on this object. And this comes directly from the Sechi craft. Just zoom out a little bit so you can see it. And it goes so fast, and this is over a 9-day period. And when you watch this, it only blinks by in a split second. What you're seeing there is a solid object. Is that the brown dwarf known as Nemesis? What you're about to see, once again, almost a year later, the same object appearing on these cameras. And as you can see, the date, well, it was just the other day. So it leads me to believe, excuse me, it leads me to believe that once again, there's a major cover-up dealing with Planet X. All of the debunkers came out of the closets and they claimed that it was the sun, a reflective image of the sun into the camera. But as you can clearly see, ladies and gentlemen, these cameras don't point directly at the sun. These cameras are situated to record coronal mass ejections, CMEs as we call it. They also came up with their idea that the sensors in the camera, well, they were overloaded with light. You're actually going to see this object rotate. And it rotates not around and around like our Earth, but it seems to rotate forwards, which is kind of odd. We would think that something would rotate just like our Earth. But as you can see, this object is rotating in a forward position. And once again, you'll have people telling you this is a reflective image on an overloaded camera, and that's the image of the sun. Last year, ladies and gentlemen, I proved beyond a shadow of a doubt that it was not the sun. So once again, it leads me to believe there's a massive object out there near the sun. And this object is quite close to our sun. To me, ladies and gentlemen, the evidence is overwhelming. There's no doubt in my mind that once again, it seems that this object may be in an orbit, and maybe it's closing in, because now, again, this video and these photographs are being captured a month earlier. Could it possibly be in an orbital pattern and it's closing in?